Right, so today we have Sandy here and we're at the BTC. She's just completed our 6-week challenge. Sandy, can you please just share with everyone where you were at before you started with us and how you felt before signing up?
Okay, so I came to you obviously 6 weeks ago. I was in a routine where I was just exercising once a week, just a Zumba class. I wanted to do more than that. I was struggling to find the time. I was also not very satisfied with my food intake as well, so I wanted to address both in parallel. So when I heard about the programme, I thought this really looks like it can help me, and just being able to do it for 6 weeks and to just see if it made a difference was a great opportunity. So I was really happy to sign up, and I was raring to go once I'd done that.
Awesome. What did you expect the programme to be like, and what was the part you enjoyed the most, or being the best part to help you out with where you were at before starting?
There's really two components about in terms of how it's helped me. One has really been the meal planning side of things. It is quite tricky to stick to a regimented meal plan, but just increasing the protein intake that I've learned over the last 6 weeks. It's become a habit just in 6 weeks, which I think is amazing. I'm constantly looking for the protein content of things, and when I'm shopping I'm looking to boost the protein content, not just for me but for the whole family, because I know how beneficial it is, because I've felt the difference. So that's one side. The other side is the exercise component. I really enjoyed the classes. They've been very succinct. I'm a working mum, I work full time, I've got 2 children to look after. Time is very, very precious, and prioritising for me can be quite tricky. But because the classes have been quite sort of short and sharp, I've been able to combine those with my hectic schedule, which is very hectic. So I think there's been 2 real benefits to it, and I've really enjoyed the high intensity component of it as well. The trainers are really good fun. They really encourage you and push you to your limits, which you won't necessarily do on your own.
Yeah, thank you. Sandy, can you tell us how you feel after completing the 6-week challenge, and how it's changed you since starting, like in terms of energy and just your outlook in general on exercise?
Okay.
And food?
It's made me a lot more aware of what I'm eating. I have to say I feel like my palate's changed as well. I don't necessarily want the carbs or the sort of the sugary snacks that perhaps I was drawn to before. So I'm looking for things that just help me feel full, and I know what those are now because I've learned that over the 6-week programme. I also feel like I have more energy. When I am doing some exercise, I feel like my body's making the most of that opportunity, because I feel like I'm burning more calories. I don't know why that is. I think something's obviously changed in my constitution that's allowed me to feel that way.
Thank you, Sandy. Would you say it's been a life-changing experience, and would you recommend it, and if so, why?
It has been life-changing. I think it's really helped me realise how my body can be more efficient, but also how I can help my body to be more efficient, and also making the most of the nutrients that are out there, just doing the food diary and looking at the composition and the proportions of what you're eating. I think it really opens your eyes in terms of your habits and how you can change those.
Awesome. Thank you, Sandy.